Hi there. In this Digital Marketing Mastery review, I'm going to show you an exclusive bundle of 10 powerful ebooks designed to help you crush digital marketing in 2025. Stick around because I'll also walk you through the details, including the fantastic bonuses, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal from Tested Apps, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab this bundle through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is Digital Marketing Mastery? It's a 10 ebook bundle packed with everything you need to master digital marketing in 2025. These ebooks cover crucial topics like SEO, traffic generation, advertising, productivity, and social media. What's awesome about this bundle is that it comes with Master Resell Rights, MRR, and Private Label Rights, PLR, which means you can rebrand, resell, and profit from these ebooks. This is perfect if you want to create multiple income streams or position yourself as an authority in the digital marketing space. How it works. Now, let's talk about how it works. With this bundle, you get instant access to 10 fully editable and resellable ebooks. The MRR allows you to resell these ebooks and keep 100% of the profits, while the PLR means you can edit and rebrand them to make them your own. It's super easy to get started. Just download the ebooks, rebrand them with your own logo and name, and you're good to go. The Digital Marketing Mastery Bundle includes 10 ebooks that cover the following essential topics: boosting website productivity, ethical AI, and data privacy. Stand out in an oversaturated digital market ad fatigue fix. Boost engagement, the future of digital marketing, and much more. These aren't just basic guides, they're packed with actionable strategies and insider tips to help you stay ahead in the constantly evolving world of digital marketing. But that's not all. When you grab the Digital Marketing Mastery Bundle, you're also getting over $497 in bonuses for free. These bonuses include extra ebooks, WordPress themes, social media templates, video editing bundles, and much more. All this for just $37. That's over 75% off the regular price of $145. You're getting a ton of value at a fraction of the price. Who is this for? So, who is this for? If you're a digital marketer looking for fresh strategies, affiliate marketer wanting to increase traffic and sales, entrepreneur seeking valuable resources to grow your business, content creator ready to monetize your efforts, this bundle is perfect for you. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. You can grab the Digital Marketing Mastery Bundle for just $37. But this deal won't last forever. Grab it now, start rebranding and reselling, and begin building multiple income streams today. Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching my Digital Marketing Mastery review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.